mayroon na naman tayong magic tricks guys. Tanggalin natin dalawang joker guys. Atayin natin sa tatlong files to guys. Yung spectators guys, pipili ng isang files guys. Kahit saan dyan. Sample ito ang napili niya guys, yung spectators. Buksan natin yung top card guys. Jack of Diamond guys. Ito yung bra ng spectators guys. Jack of Diamonds. Baliktad din natin guys. Peace up, peace down, peace up, peace down, peace up, peace down guys. Ang bra. Ngayon guys, hanapin natin yung card ng spectators guys na Jack of Diamond. Ito na yun guys, yung Jack of Diamond. Buksan natin guys. The magician is always correct guys. Thank you for watching guys.